guys, welcome back to MishkaEasyCreations. I am going to tell you guys amazing facts about the solar system. Let's start with moons. As we know guys, our Earth has a moon, but it's not the only moon in our solar system. Every single planet has their own moon in our solar system. Moon is a natural satellite for every planet. Now let's start the facts. Jupiter has 79 moons and Mars has 2 moons in his planet. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. Gganymede is the largest moon in our solar system. Gganymede is the moon of Jupiter. Planet Saturn has an amazing moon, Titan. Venus is also called to Earth the twin brother because they are similar in size and structure. Pluto is called as the rainbow dwarf planet. Jupiter is the oldest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Uranus is called the coldest planet in the solar system. Mars is called the red planet because of rusty iron. Jupiter is the most colorful planet in our solar system because it reflects many shades of white, yellow, red, brown, all these colors of Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is also called as the vacuum cleaner for Earth. Planet Saturn is the most beautiful planet in our solar system.